MAEF, and it's been just so amazing to watch the show grow over the last 8 years, and it really wouldn't be possible without our sponsors. They come back every year and are so supportive, and our exhibitors are just as wonderful.
From Aldi, Virginia, and I'm here with two of my riders this week. We enjoy coming to this show. It's a great atmosphere for upcoming riders. Gives us an opportunity to do the big at close to home, and we love the staff here. The fact that we can ride indoors, we know that the weather is always going to be good, and it's just a nice show to come to.
I'm Mimi Brody. I'm the director of the Equestrian program at Sweetbriar College, and I think that the Mid-Atlantic Equitation Festival is a great place for prospective students to come because it gives us as college coaches an opportunity to see the students ride, as well as then for students to learn a lot about many different colleges in one place. It's a great show.
And this is our first season doing the Mid-Atlantic Equitation Festival. I think it's been a great experience for the horses. They get to have a lot of opportunities to do several rounds and to really practice and improve throughout the horse show.
Hi, my name is Devin Thomas. I'm 17 years old from New Jersey, and I ride with the Desert Areas at Tranquility Farm. I recently signed with Texas A&M to be a part of their Division I Equestrian team, which I'm really excited about. MAEF was a really good first indoors final to go do before going to all the other ones. It really helped me prepare for all the indoors because it was like a very similar format.
Hi, my name's Ava Farley. I won champion in the novice equitation yesterday, and Mid-Atlantic is a really nice show because the prizes are really above and beyond.
Hi, I'm Jill Aureliano. I'm Madison Frankel's trainer. We come all the way from New York to this horse show. I like the experience for the kids when they start out in the equitation. They have all the right turns, always good judging. It's a great experience.
Hi, I'm Kira Jones, and the thing I like most about Mid-Atlantic is all the opportunities they have for you to do other things like the scholarship exams and the costume classes and how they make everything so fun.